Bob, our ABC7 viewers have sent us some great photos over the past couple days between love bugs, sunsets, the halo, I believe.
Yeah, it's the halo, and it's caused as a result of the ice crystals in the atmosphere and the cirrus clouds. They're up to about 30,000 feet. And this one from Lake Venice. I showed a couple earlier this evening at 6 o'clock. This one from Ed, and nice shot, Ed. And this one right there, David's showing where that sun is, blocking out. So you get a really good look at that. Again, ring created by the light being refracted and then reflected back to your spot. And a lot of people sent those photos in. Great shots, appreciate it. And tell you what, we had some great sunsets too, and we'll get to those later as well. Now, Titan radar picture showing quite a bit of rainfall down to our south. This is all associated with that trough of low pressure I talked about. It's going to stay down there. Not to worry tonight, tomorrow, even Saturday. It looks to be okay. But by Sunday, changes come, and they will stick around too for a while. That's good news. We need the rainfall. We haven't had much here, and it looks like we'll get a pretty good chance of that happening throughout the work week next week. First, we got to get through this dry air that's still out there, although it is thinning out a bit, and it looks as though we'll see a mixture of sun and clouds tomorrow. Should not be all that bad. Just a few clouds, maybe some high clouds moving in again. 88 degrees, right around 88, 90 degrees in places here. If you live on the beach, you're going to be on the beaches, mid-80s for highs tomorrow. Sustained winds out of the east-northeast, and that's one of the reasons why we're seeing more love bugs too, I believe, is that we've had a steady east wind to northeast wind for the past week now, and that brings a lot of the love bugs that are out here closer to the coast, obviously, and so they gather here a little bit more and have a big party right on my windshield. We're looking for the winds to the east. They're going to stay that way too. Right now, anywhere from 5 to 10 miles an hour there in South Sarasota County. It's 73. It's pretty warm right now. The relative humidity, though, still low at 66%. This number will be bouncing back up too pretty quickly tomorrow night. There's just one of those nice photos tonight. Another gorgeous shot. Dave Beachy sending that one in. 88 degrees, the high above average. We didn't get to 90. We have in the last 3 days, but not today. 94 the record set in 1929. Well, here we go. We'll take you through Friday, tomorrow, looking partly cloudy at times, and then we'll see the clouds increasing on Saturday. But you'll notice we stay away from the green here or the rain. The rain really doesn't move in on Saturday, but by Sunday morning, rain chance will pick up to about 40%. And then we'll really go high up to about 80% for showers. And even a few isolated thunderstorms, nothing too severe, it doesn't appear. This upper level low will kind of sit here and spin and eventually open up as a line of low pressure for Monday. So another good chance for showers and storms on Monday, Tuesday, even a chance for those late day storms, and that continues on into Wednesday. So some good news on that front. Well, the storm centers are now moving basically west to east across the northern tier of states. Not much else in the southern plain states. Warm there tomorrow, 88 in Dallas, 89 in Kansas City, 91 in St. Louis, and 56 in Toronto. Boating tomorrow looks good. We'll have east winds turning to the northwest at 10 knots. Seas will be 2 feet or less with a light chop on the bays and inland waters, and the water temperature now at 76 degrees. That is expected, obviously, to warm up, but with all the rain and clouds around over the weekend, should stay right around 76, 77 degrees. Well, here's your forecast. No chance for rain tomorrow. Saturday, a slight chance for a late day shower, but not much. 70% chance by the afternoon on Sunday with a 40% chance in the morning. Could see a few isolated thunderstorms. Same on Monday. Tuesday, that rain chance staying high at 60%. So just what the doctor ordered as far as the drought goes for us. We needed some rain. We're going to get some. And it looks as though we will see less love bugs too. When it's raining, they tend not to fly as much around town. Well, the weather, it could be a little dicey over the weekend, especially on Sunday, but with a falling barometer, sometimes it's good fishing. We had high barometer this past Wednesday, but still managed to catch some fish.